Hello and welcome to a Taxware video tutorial. Today we'll be covering how to do extensions and batch extensions. Let's start with regular extensions. First, go to the client you would like to do an extension for. Then go to the Forms and Schedules menu. On the Forms and Schedules menu, you will go to the 4868. On this screen, you will fill in any information that you need to for the extension, including electronic payment. Once you are satisfied with how you filled out the form, go ahead and push OK. Press OK once more. And on the summary menu, push on line number 20 for e-file. From here, to send out the extension, press the Transmit 4868 button at the top of the screen. Once you file the extension, a pop-up will show up asking if you want to change the status to On Extension. It is recommended you push Yes. To batch e-file extensions, from the main menu, click on the Batch e-file button. From here, you'll click on line number 7, Transmit Automatic Extension Form 4868. The first thing you'll need to do is to build a database of clients that are going to be extended. To do this, push the Data Path/Database button. Then you will select the data path that you wish to use to create your database. In this case, I want to use the 21 data, which is the default, and the 20 data folder from the prior year. This will take all of the prior year clients from the path below and cross-reference them with the current year clients from the path above. Any clients that were in the prior year that are not in the current year will be added to the list. We'll go ahead and push OK here to build the list. The next thing we'll do is we'll select which clients we want to e-file or print. So we'll click line number 2. And here I have 2 clients that were in the prior year listing that were not in the current year listing. If I would like to print all of my clients, I can click the Include All button on the top left. This will check the box for print for every person in the list. If I want to remove everybody from the print list, I can click the Undo Include button. This will remove the checkbox from the print. To select everybody for e-file, I can click the All ELF. And same for Undo ELF. If I don't want any particular client to be in here, I can click Hide. The next time I leave and come back in, that client will be missing from the list, so they are not affected by any print or e-file transactions that I will do. If I want to show the people that I have hidden, I will click Show Hidden. I can then uncheck the Hide box to remove them from the Hide list. If I want to remove a client entirely and have them never show up again, I can click the Delete button, which will remove them from the list. Once you've selected the clients you wish to e-file or print, you can click the e-file or print buttons on the top right respectively. That will either e-file the extension for any of the clients checked or print the extension for any of the files checked. This concludes the tutorial for the batch e-file system. If you have any questions or comments, please give us a call at 1-800-877-1065 or leave an email at support@taxwaresystems.com. Thank you for choosing Taxware.